What's up with it, guys? This is your girl, Queen T Money's gang. My gang or no gang at all. Oh my God, y'all. It is so bad out here. Not just in our little big city, but everywhere. I am doing this video. It's not gonna be very long, but it went from being not so bad to really bad and nasty out here. Sorry I look like this. I look a mess, but you know, when I come to y'all, I have to come to y'all raw and uncut. So this is what you get of me. And yes, I have like lots and lots of clothing on, and I don't have a jacket, but it's really nasty, and I wanted to share some of this nasty weather with you guys. I just want to say, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below more ideas, more pranks, videos, anything that you want me to do. Let's get this to 1 like, and I'll come back with another banger tomorrow. Again, everybody, remember to be safe out there. If you don't have to go nowhere, please stay at home. Remember, there are always someone else out there that is worse, in a worser situation than you are. So many prayers across the world, because I know that we're not only the ones that are getting the bad weather. There's other people getting bad weather. So again, prayers. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification where it says all. When you hit it, you'll hear it go. That means you are have your bell notification on, so that anytime I go live or upload another video, you'll be the first one to note that I just dropped another banger. So I am going to show y'all how nasty it is. It is so nasty out here, guys. So nasty. So nasty. So yeah, it's cold, as you can tell. You can see all the, but yeah, it's cold, it's nasty. And I just want you guys to stay safe and stay warm as possible. Again, if you don't have to get out, don't get out in this stuff, because it's nasty. Yes, guys, so look at this. Is so bad. Yo, it is nasty. I'm trying to help. So y'all, look at the big old chunks of snow. So yeah, it's so nasty. Look at there. That boy, he just going round and round, honey. Look, look, look. Y'all, it's so bad. Look, look, look at them just flying. Some people don't even care about how nasty it is out here. They just drive and like it's nothing. Especially some of the semis. But look, it's so nasty. What's this thing going? Now look. Look at the fool. Some people really just don't care. Honey, I didn't blow. Y'all see that? Look at my car. Let me get y'all. Y'all look. This is what it is. Hey, ice.